How did somebody you know ruin their life in one day? My brother broke up with his girlfriend when they were both 21. It seemed like a normal breakup. He even volunteered to move back in with our parents temporarily so she could keep the flat they were renting. About a month later, she sent him 2 pics of an ultrasound and a positive pregnancy test, and told him she didn't want him to have anything to do with their baby. But if he'd give her a few thousand now to help her through the pregnancy and to get ready for the baby's arrival, she'd release him from any future obligation to pay child support. She even hinted he'd known she was pregnant when he broke up with her. When he ignored the message, she then sent it on to everyone. Her family, our family, including parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, his employer, his colleagues, some old college teachers they were still in contact with, and their friends. They met in school, so almost all of their friends were mutual. She even posted it on her Facebook for good measure. He then replied to her and to everyone he knew of that she'd sent the message to, and also on her Facebook page with 2 screenshots everyone he knew of that she'd sent the message to, and also on her Facebook page with 2 screenshots showing that the pictures she'd sent him were literally the first that came up when you googled ultrasound and positive pregnancy test. She lost her job over that, and most of their friends cut ties with her. She set out to extort a few thousand off him and instead outed herself as crazy to basically everyone she knew.